Okay, our cherished viewers, we are grateful to have you once again onto our channel. At this time, we want to learn the production of palm oil in the African scenario, how we Africans, we do our palm oil production. With the exception of, or aside the industrial one, we have many industries producing palm oil in Africa. But we want to look at the traditional way we do our palm oil production. And so for today, we have one of the experienced producers of palm oil in Africa, especially Ghana, and his name is Mr. Francis. So he's going to take us through to teach us everything that we need to know and understand with respect to palm oil production in Africa. So, Mr. Francis, thank you for.
You're welcome.
Yeah. As I've introduced, we want to learn from you how palm oil in Africa is produced when it comes to the traditional way. And so right now I can see that we are in the plantation. So take us through and let's know how the process is done from the plantation side.
Thank you very much. I think from the right go, with the local production of palm oil, you harvest it from the tree.
Okay, as we can
As
see
you
the
can
tree.
see it, there's a wrap on here.
Yeah.
Just use the Mauritian knife to cut
Mauritian knife. Okay.
to cut it down. After that, you take it to the ocean. Very good ocean. So from here, I think you can go to step back and lose it. Lose it. To get a rich fruit.
Okay.
So that you can use it on the
Okay. So we have to harvest it from the farm.
Yes.
Then we take it to the is it machine shop or processing plant?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So we are going to that end to continue our discussion.
Okay. You can move.
Yes, sir. Thank you. As we saw from the farm, I wanted to ask you something since I forgot. Does the palm plantation, does it have any special soil that facilitate the production?
Normally, palm oil is normally loamy soil.
Loamy soil. So if you have a loamy soil, it means that and you are interested in palm plantation, you can
use that one.
So from the farm, after harvesting, here's the drying of
Yeah, the drying. This is the drying. Normally, when you load the food down, you just lose it. Then dry it. It tastes like good.
really quite necessary.
We're on the harvest.
Yeah, why do you dry it? I thought that after harvesting.
You dry it because our machine is very strong. The efficiency is very low. So when you dry it, it's heavy because it's
Dry it, and then stop something.
so when it's in the fresh food, so because it's fresh, but that matter is you cannot fresh. That is why the idea is that warm that. So it is blocking between the cold.
And he said to take around 3 days.
For me, what is it? For me, after filling, add lemon water. Maybe about 3 waters. Depending upon your quantity. So this is 30 minutes. From here, then we after that, you are allowed to settle. Yeah. All the the fire. Use it for fire. These are the ferry. These are the ferry. The Kenyan. The Kenyan part down there in Syracuse. So when you go there, you see some of them. It's ready for the people to come and buy it.
It's only the fiber is not produced. So from the pressing side, the oil, then the cleaner, the fiber.
I'm not about 50 years.
Is there anything that you think along the way? Along the way?
Oh yeah, a lot of things. Yeah, you see, you observe that they make a lot of risk. This is so we are trying to improve our machine so that
viewers, as I said earlier, we came to Mr. Francis to learn palm oil production in African traditional way. As I've said, we have bigger industries in Africa, but this time around, we wanted to know how it is done on the smaller scales. And so he came to Mr. Francis, and we have been grateful for his education over the whole process. And so we'd like you to come forward if you want to invest in this business. He's ever ready to at least take you through everything that you need to understand, so that you can also help to uplift the production process of the palm oil business in Africa. Thank you, and then subscribe to my channel, share, and your comments are always welcome.